Hey guys, so I'm gonna take you down the nut aisle.
What's up YouTube? It's Jessie Lee, and call me #BOSSLEE, and I hope you love the video you're about to see. I'm pretty sure you will, because it's always content over here. I want to tell you about a couple other things, specifically one that you can also get some more value from, and all you need to do, and you can do it now, just pause this video, is go ahead and text YouTube to 844-277-9762. I'm gonna be really upping the text game, and it's literally me texting you back. So if you want to have a more one-on-one conversation with me, enjoy the video, subscribe, comment below, and make sure you text YouTube again to 844-277-9762.
Unfortunately, there are a lot of nuts that are actually pretty high in carbohydrates. Pistachios are one of them. Pecans are pretty good for you. Almonds are great for you. Something I love and is actually on sale are these Blue Diamond Smokehouse almonds. It's 2 grams net carbs per serving of these suckers, so we love these in our house. So you might look at something like pistachio squares and be like, oh, is it just pistachios? No, oh my God, there's literally 11 carbs per thing with six added grams of sugar. So ingredients are pistachios, then tapioca syrup, then cane sugar. Come on now, man, not keto. So this is something that's super keto, and they're really great for you, high in fiber as well. These are the sprouted organic pumpkin seeds. They're super keto. It is actually 3 grams of carbs per serving, but all that's in here is the pumpkin seeds and then sea salt. Great little snack.